Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to check the word count in the Microsoft Word app on your mobile device. Whether you're working on an essay, report, assignment, article, or any other document with a word limit, Microsoft Word makes it easy to keep track of your progress. To get started, open the Microsoft Word app on your phone and open the document where you want to check the word count. Once your document is open, tap anywhere inside the text to make sure your document is active and ready for editing. Next, tap the menu icon or the editing options at the top of your screen, depending on your device and app version. Look for the review section or additional document tools and tap on it to see more options. From there, find and select word count. Microsoft Word will then display important information about your document, including the total number of words, characters, paragraphs, and sometimes even pages, depending on the version of the app you're using. If you only want to count words from a specific section, try selecting the text first before opening the word count tool to see if your version supports counting selected text only. You can check the word count at any time while editing your document, making it easier to stay within assignment requirements or writing goals. And that's it. That's how you can check the word count in the Microsoft Word app on mobile. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.